What's up, my nation, my Z nation, my Kawasaki Z125 nation? Currently on the way to my boy's crib. I'm trying to make it to that ride, meteor ride. But we need to tighten my chain. Something's wrong with my throttle. It's just getting stuck, dog. And dude, that's dangerous, you know. Now, look, I'm gonna just show y'all. See, forward, normal, right, normal, left. I'm not even holding it. Y'all see that? Then I turn it back forward. It's good. Alright, Z Nation. I found out what the problem was, bro. It was the most stupidest thing. I was about to order a whole new cable, whole new, you know. It was my fat ass clutch cable holding down my throttle wheel. ¿Cuánto corre? Como a 60. That's damn. We're gonna lane split on the highway, man. Damn. I low-key hate lane splitting on the highway, bro, because it's like risky as fuck. What the fuck was that behind us? That noise, man. I thought my boy crashed. Careful, buddy. Oh yeah, we made it. Alright, Z Nation, we're about to head out. Hit the road. The Prilla. On a ride like this in a while now. Why is my boy right on one side? Please, no pow-pows. Watch out, man. No pow-pows, please. Please, no pow-pows. Clutch ups. My boy. Where the fuck did my boy pull that out of his ass? 55, I heard. Heard this drum can't tap out. My feet are vibrating. Man, we left some people behind. Hey, where am I? Going home. Oh, he's back. Still recording? Yeah. My boy better be careful. What the fuck? Fuck is his issue? I know, I see that, bro. I know he's mad as fuck right now. You just got caught on all that. He's saying fuck you. No, fuck you. Don't cut him off, man. Come on. No, stop. Holy shit. Alleviates. Haven't been out in a while on a ride. I want to find my buddy now. I don't know where he's at now. I have no body right now. Oh, Manny and Alvarez just left. Come on, Brass. Yo, dude, what's the rush, bucko? Bro, what the fuck? Bro, what the fuck? He's good, bro. What the fuck? Holy shit, bro. What the fuck? That's fucking fucked, bro. That's fucked. Holy shit, dude. Holy fuck, man. God, dude, that's fucking crazy, bro. I thought his bumper came off, bro. It was one of the guys, bro. That's fucking crazy, dude. Bro, no, bro. Hopefully he's okay, bro. That's crazy, dude. These motherfuckers on the road, bro. Man. Holy shit, dude. Man, bro. the boys got off. Man, I hope the ambulance is for them, bro. Wait, never mind. I don't know, man. Are we hopping on another highway? What are we doing? Bro, that was crazy, bro.
Hey, ¿hablas español, no?
Sí. Estaba...
Valió gorro ese vato.
¿Qué?
Valió gorro ese vato.
Sí, güey.
Todo pelado.
Sí, güey.
No sé, güey. ¿De qué carro blanco lo viste? Iba
¿Qué?
tirando un carro blanco.
¿Cuál?
Ahí donde estaba él, pero como que el carro blanco, cuando vio el otro carro, como que frenó y se tiró para el lado derecho,
Güey, pensé que se le cayó al carro el bumper. Pero luego miré el güey que se cayó.
Yo solo levanté la moto y se bajaron como 4 chavos y
No
no
mames.
puedo quedar aquí, no tengo plata, no tengo licencia.
Sí.
No, ¿qué puedo hacer?
No mames, estaba bien feo.
También la ruina porque está viendo que están cruzando los carros, ¿para qué se va atrás?
Sí, güey. Sí, güey. Se miró feo.
Like I got a plate or something.